A reference enables us to give things like functions and data structures access to values without transferring ownership. To start things off, go ahead and declare inside your main function a variable called number with a value of 77. To create a reference, you will need to declare another variable, let's say numRef, and this will be equal to the number which is declared above. But notice here this ampersand. This actually means that you're referring to that variable number and assigning it to a new variable called numRef. You're not actually transferring the ownership of that number to that numRef, you're just borrowing the value. From here we can print that numRef and we should get 77. And if you will create a second reference referring to the first reference and you will try to print it, you will also get 77. Notice here the double ampersand and here only one single ampersand, because here we are referring to a reference, while here we are referring to the original variable. Now let's say that you want to increment the num reference by 1. You will have Rust yelling at you, telling you that the operation cannot be applied to that numRef, as it is just a reference and not the original variable. To solve that problem, you will need to add the keyword mute before number, and before the incrementation of the numRef, you will need to add an asterisk, and this will take away that squiggly ugly red line. Now if you will print that reference plus 1, you should get 78. This was references in Rust simply explained. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.